Okay, here's a brand new Daikin central air conditioning unit. This unit replaced a 2004 ICP unit. And I believe this unit was installed just recently. But yeah, currently not running right now. And there's data for that. I can't get to it that well, but yeah, I assume this is probably a 2024 or maybe 2025 unit. And I think that has a couple and scroll compressor. Not exactly sure. And it is a 13.4 SEER. But yeah, I would actually see the old ICP unit. I think it was a Arcoaire. I'd see it run without the... I saw it run not too long ago without the compressor. So I think the compressor might have died on that unit, unfortunately. But yeah, nice brand new unit. Nice top too. But yeah, this unit is located at a commercial/apartment building here in my town that I filmed at before. This is actually at the Pizza Ranch complex. But yeah, this might actually be a R32 unit because it's got the flammable refrigerant tag on it. Yeah, R32 is flammable, so yeah, my GE window unit has that same refrigerant. But yeah, just like a quick video of this unit. And right there, that does not look safe. The wire and the wires to the fan motor are not correctly mounted. Can't be good, but yeah. But yeah. And that Arcoaire there just came on. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.